Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into an Amazon deals, how to find the best deals. So this is kind of something that's hidden, that's not talking about a whole lot, and it's really good to check out after Amazon holds things like Prime Day deals or any of their big events throughout the year where they do massive sales. Checking in about a week or two after that, because these are the items that are kind of hidden, that are returned items, or items that people didn't want and guaranteed to be in used or like new condition. You're guaranteed to have the product and it being in working condition. It was just sent out to somebody, they decided they didn't want it, or the packaging, if it had a quarter size damage to the box or anything like that, it's sent back and it is put on a really good discount. I mean, you're seeing anywhere from 15% off to like 95% off. It's just really going through and finding the tools that you're looking for. So you can find some really good deals here. So like if I'm looking, let's say, okay, so to find these, you're going to, it's a lot easier on a website. I haven't done it on the phone. So normally you would go to like today's deals, and these are going to be all the great deals going on for the day or whatever. But you can go to right here, warehouse deals, and here you can shop by category. So I always go to tools, home improvement, things I'm interested in, some electronics, stuff like that. They got automotive. Or you can just, now we're in the Amazon warehouse. So I could just type in whatever brand or whatever tool I'm looking for to see if they have any of that was returned. So let's just look at Sunex, some impact socket sets. So I mean, you're going to see a lot of buying options. You've got some gear wrench, just a lot of Sunex stuff that was returned. Now, Sunex already comes with a lifetime warranty, plus you got Amazon backing them up. So if you get a product, and which you shouldn't receive any product with anything missing, it is guaranteed to be a full set. So if you get anything like that, it's going to be covered. But you're looking at getting the full set. I don't care if there's a quarter size damage to the blow molded box or the packaging that it comes in, as long as I get the tools, because I know the tools are of good quality. So that's all I really care about. You can get this buying used, and you're going to save quite a bit of money. Now, obviously, you might have to constantly check if you're looking for something specific and they don't have it. But here, I mean, you're looking at, details. This is used like new. Used like new means that it is going to be like a brand new product, just the packaging may be damaged. So I don't care about the packaging. I care about what's inside. This is a really good way to find deals. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I mean, there's a lot of different things that you can look at. And I mean, when you go to these subcategories or whatever, it's going to pull up a lot of the knickknacks that people buy on Amazon, like I would never buy anything like this over here. You got this pancake compressor with some accessories for $100. I mean, they got some good deals. It's just a matter if you want to play around, spend some time looking through, 400 pages of things that were returned and at a discounted price up to 95% off. I think that's a killer deal and a good way to find some really well-priced tools. So I'll just quickly go through some pages. They got some Tekton items on here. Let's just go ahead and search Tekton to see what they got going on. So I mean, you definitely see some really good deals. And it goes for everything. I mean, obviously, if you're looking for something specific, you may not be able to find that specific tool at the moment. Just kind of check back. But after anything like Prime Day deals or anything like that Amazon holds, checking a week or two later is the best time, because all of these people are buying all these items at a discounted price already. And then let's say they didn't want something or anything like that. They're sending it back, and if it was damaged, now it's going to be even more discounted, and you're going to be able to pick that up. So it's just constantly checking out the Amazon warehouse deals on items that were returned, because if you just read the used like new and the policy and everything, like, you're guaranteed to get a working product. Like, you're not going to get something broken. If it's broken, they're going to take care of you. This is through the Amazon warehouse, so it's their responsibility to take care of you and get you an item that you expect to be in working good condition. So It's not really anything to worry about. Yes, I mean, it's not going to be a brand, well, most of them are. Most of them are brand new products. A lot of these aren't going to be items that somebody used for a month and I was like, man, no. They're not going to resell an item that was used a whole bunch and was broken. They're going to sell an item that the package was damaged or an item that somebody didn't want, something along those lines. So after those Amazon Day deals and stuff like that, the big events, about 2 weeks later is the best time to do so because you're getting an item that was on sale for a discounted price. So you can find some really good stuff if you just play around, search through here. But I just wanted to share that with you guys and thought it was a cool little kind of hidden feature not a lot of people know about, but it's a really good way to find some discounted stuff. And not just tools. I mean, they got everything. Just looking at some of the other options, you got computers, kitchen, digital cameras, electronics, furniture, television. I mean, they have anything and everything. Just imagine the amount of stuff that Amazon sells, the amount of things that are returned. Amazon literally has everything. So it's just a matter of trying to find what you're looking for underneath the Amazon warehouse deals. But I hope you guys enjoyed this real quick video, and if you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, or if you've ever used the Amazon warehouse deals. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.